Everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create this uh, cyber light effect using transition in CapCut. So for example, I'm just going to select task images to the track. You can also add your videos or photos you like to edit. And you're just going to go to transition and select light effect and select um, cyber light. So this is pro effect. You have to join pro first to be able to use this effect. So to the track, you can also adjust the duration and apply slow the click. Alright, see the result. And I'm just going to combine with effect, go to effect and select the horizontal place to this duration and see the final result. So it's cool. Who can try this? I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please like in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.